Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the top 5 best portable carpet cleaners of 2025? Are my full reviews of the top 5 best portable carpet cleaners of 2025. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for a future update. Thank you. Number 1. The Tineco Carpet One Cruiser Smart Carpet Cleaner is an absolute game changer, and in this video, I'll share my honest take after testing it out in real household conditions. Right off the bat, the standout feature is its deep cleaning performance. With 130W of powerful suction, the machine pulls up dirt, pet hair, and stains that most traditional vacuums simply leave behind. What impressed me most is that it doesn't just surface clean, it goes deep into carpet fibers, lifting out grime that's been there for years. If you got pets or kids, you'll really appreciate that level of power. The FlashDry with 167 degrees Fahrenheit PowerDry technology is another highlight. Normally, cleaning carpets means hours of waiting for them to dry, but this system significantly reduces that time. In my tests, carpets were dry enough to walk on in a fraction of the time compared to other cleaners I've tried. That makes it practical for everyday use, not just for occasional deep cleans. One of the smartest touches is the self-cleaning function. After finishing a session, you can run the machine through its self-cleaning cycle, and it flushes out the internal system automatically. That means less hassle, no lingering odors, and a longer lifespan for the device. The Tineco Carpet One Cruiser also shines in terms of versatility. It's not just for carpets. It's highly effective on upholstery, rugs, and even stubborn spots on furniture. Switching between modes is smooth, and the machine feels well-built but not overly bulky. The guided LED interface also makes it beginner-friendly. Of course, no product is perfect. The water tank is slightly on the smaller side, which means you may need to refill it during larger cleaning jobs. But the payoff is a lighter, more maneuverable design, so I see that as a fair trade-off. Overall, this cleaner delivers on its promises: powerful suction, fast dry, and true ease of use. If you're looking for a professional-level carpet cleaner that fits into a home routine, the Tineco Carpet One Cruiser is worth the investment. It turns a chore into something you can get done quickly and efficiently, with results you'll notice right away. Number 2, the Shark CarpetXpert with StainStriker EX201, and I have to say it exceeded expectations. This upright carpet, rug, and upholstery cleaner is a powerhouse, especially if you have pets. The Pet Mess Extractor tool really stands out, tackling tough stains and odors with ease. What impressed me most was the StainStriker technology, which worked deep into fibers to lift messes I thought were permanent. The included cleaning solutions were effective without leaving residue, and switching between the 3 tools made it versatile enough for carpets, rugs, and furniture. Setup was simple, and while the unit is powerful, it's also easy to maneuver compared to bulkier shampooers. It left everything looking refreshed and noticeably cleaner. If you're dealing with pet accidents, spills, or just want a reliable deep clean, this machine delivers professional-level results at home. Highly recommend for pet owners or anyone serious about keeping their carpet spotless. Number 3. The Hoover PowerDash Pet Plus Compact Carpet Cleaner, and it's a total game changer for anyone dealing with pets, spills, or everyday messes. This lightweight carpet shampooer is super easy to set up and move around, even on stairs. Don't let the size fool you. It delivers powerful deep cleaning that lifts stains and odors fast. I pair it with a Hoover carpet cleaner solution, and the results were amazing. Carpets looked brighter, smelled fresh, and dried quicker than I expected. The PowerDash Pet Plus is compact enough to store easily, but still tough on dirt and pet messes. If you want an affordable, easy-to-use machine that refreshes your home without the hassle of renting, this is a must-have. Highly recommend for pet owners or busy households. Number 4, the Bissell TurboClean Upright Carpet Cleaner, Model 3952, is a game-changer for deep cleaning carpets, especially for pet owners. It's lightweight yet powerful, making it easy to maneuver and store. Paired with a Pro Max Clean and Protect solution and Urine Eliminator formula, it effectively lifts stubborn stains and neutralizes odors, leaving carpets fresh and renewed. Setup is simple, cleanup is quick, and results are impressive compared to bulky, expensive alternatives. Perfect for tackling high-traffic areas or accidents, This cleaner delivers professional-level results at home. Highly recommended for anyone wanting hassle-free carpet care. Number 5. The Kenmore KW4010 Pet Portable Carpet Cleaner is a solid choice for tackling pet messes and everyday spills. With its strong suction and high cleaning power, it lifts dirt and stains quickly from rugs and upholstery. The 3.2L clean tank and 1.4L dirty tank provide enough capacity for larger jobs without frequent refilling, while the 25-foot cord offers great reach around the home. I especially like the 2 removable brush rolls, which make maintenance easy and ensure a deeper clean on different surfaces. It's lightweight and portable, so moving from room to room is hassle-free. Whether dealing with muddy paw prints, food spills, or deep-seated stains, this cleaner does the job efficiently. Overall, the KW4010 combines performance, convenience, and durability, making it a reliable tool for pet owners and anyone wanting cleaner carpets and furniture.